matter which is closer to our hearts. I'm pretty sure kung musubot ka, may mutambong taga-Orchids o ang puro president siguro, to be represented. Dili na nga voting ko, itanaw sa activity sa BEC. Kaya ka na siguro, that way, we can monitor what's really happening. Because of that involvement sa mga stakeholders na closer to the area, mas masabtan ka na mo kung siya.
Ang back yun mo.
No problem with that, no? Actually, there are mandatory members of the BAC and there are also observers. Na NGO din ha. So like, agent. Pero gusto ninyo, we can invite you. Kano sa, we will invite you. Kano sa kung sa BAC. We will invite you. You of course.
Part of the institutionalized setup. What I'm saying is, kung a representative, kung pwede ibutang ito sa BEC, observer status, one from Orchid Homes, Puro President, Federated Puro President, and sa New Frontier.
I think that is not possible. No? Kaya na may balaod yun dito kung kinsay pwede lang
it's the law.
Observer status naman.
Yeah, you can observe, no? We can invite you, pero dili voting. Dili voting because even in the there is a composition, pinsa. Dahil na ako'y pinsay angayan mag-observe. Nakagiputang ito pinsay angayan mag-observe upon the recommendation of the civil engineer. Nakagiputang nila. Pero if you want to go there during one of the deliberations, you are free to observe, no? You are free to observe. Para makita niyo ako gani, I could not remember, no? I'm just an observer. Being of the project. I'm just an observer. I cannot make any decision. I'm just an observer. So if you intend to observe, we can invite you. During the next meeting of the BAC, I will invite you. Or kinsay gusto mag-ano, so that you will know what is going on. We'll invite you. Kinsay gusto ninyo. We'll invite you.
I will BEC meeting. BEC. Sa that particular project.
We will invite you. We have nothing to hide. We will invite you. During the next...
Whether they will attend or not, basta they will be notified. As observer lang sa project.
Sure. Then, you take note, no? Who would like to be invited? Kinsay gusto. So that we know. Ikaw, attorney.
Pwede ka, sir, ka ng mamagot. There's no monopoly of knowledge here. Si Susan can ably represent.
Anybody.
Si Boy can ably represent.
Anybody who you would like to recommend, I will see to it that I will bring her.
Kanang pwede rep lang sa not a name, a rep from this.
Okay, representative. Pero it's better that we know. Karoon pa, kaya we are also very busy, no? Ako, grabing ako makiatiman. So, if you can come up with a name, so that we know who to invite.
Mas Iran siguro, pwede. Kapitan.
Pwede anytime, no? Wala ginitaghuan nila anybody can attend, no? So that you know what's going on.